David Greene is back with us on Studio 10 from Greene and Phillips, and today we're talking about the process that it takes to hire an attorney. First things first, David, how much does it cost? That's the people's big concern. How much will it cost to hire an attorney?
Well, people are always concerned about that. I know before I became an attorney, I would be worried if I needed to go talk to an attorney. Not that I did, but if I wanted to,
Yep.
I would be concerned about how do I pay for that? How do I know that these guys can charge a lot of money, and how do I deal with that? Well, what we do as a personal injury law firm, we charge a contingency fee basis. So basically what that means is we don't get paid anything. We don't ask you to pay anything when you sit down and talk to us until after your case is settled. Then we get a percentage of the total at the end.
Okay, so just to clarify, there is not a charge then for a consultation?
That's exactly right. There's not a charge. You can come in and sit down and talk to me, talk to any of our attorneys. There's never a charge to sit down and talk to us.
Would a victim get more money if they were not having to pay an attorney, or if they were having to pay an attorney out of their settlement?
Well, people are always concerned about that. They think, well, an attorney's fee can be anywhere from 33 1/3% to 40% or sometimes higher in a products liability case. How does that make any sense? Well, the way it makes sense is an attorney is going to be able to get you a lot more money than you could actually get by yourself. As a matter of fact, insurance companies recently did a study, and they determined that people who get a lawyer wind up with 3.5 times more money than they would without a lawyer.
Wow, that's a great stat right there. Is there a circumstance where you've been in an accident that you would not want to talk to a lawyer?
Well, we always tell people if there's no damage to either vehicle, if you're not hurt, it may not be a situation where you need a lawyer. You don't need to make a case. There are plenty of cases out there. If there's damage to your vehicle, there probably is damage to your person. You need to be checked out by a doctor and pursue any type of follow-up treatment that you would need.
But the number one thing you want to get across with today's segment is if someone comes to Greene and Phillip, they've been in an accident, they don't have to hesitate to call or come in because there's no upfront costs.
That's exactly right. There's no reason at all for you not to call. If you've been involved in an accident, if you're not even sure if there's a case or not even sure if there's damage at all, just call us. No problem. Not going to cost you a penny. Be glad to talk to you.
All right. Very informative. And if you do have a question or concern, the information to call Greene and Phillips is on our website, Studio 10 tab on fox10tv.com. Thanks a lot, David.
Thanks.